Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Chargy. In today's video we are going to do the unboxing of newly launched phone from OnePlus, which is OnePlus 6T. So let's find out what the component of the box and how the phone in the first impression. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Chargy. So let's get straight into the video.
This is the OnePlus 6T box right now in my hand, and over the box there's a red ribbon, you can say, over the box. On the side you can see the OnePlus 6T written over here, and on the back this is the mirror black edition which is right now in my hand. And over the box behind the says 6GB variant and 128GB internal storage, and on the side there's nothing. So OnePlus 6T box looks similar to OnePlus 6 box. So let me just quickly unwrap the box over here with the knife. And as I delicately cut out this knife, this is called the perfect unboxing or the perfect stripping of the plastic, you can say, over the box. Just let me quickly speed up the video a bit so you can just quickly look upon the unboxed box, I could say. So delicately I am cutting out with the knife and speeding up the video right now. So right now the wrapper has been unwrapped, and so the OnePlus 6T box is right here. So just let me quickly keep the wrapper on the side, and over here this is a red ribbon which I've pulled it out, and this is a kind of you can say that thank you from OnePlus 6. And let me just quickly unwrap the box. So let me just, I'm taking out the OnePlus 6T box, and here's the brand new OnePlus 6T right now in front of our eyes, as you can see in the image or in the video you can see. So this is the brand new phone. Let me just quickly, very delicately, let me take it out from the box. And a little bit of, again, you can say, difficulty while taking out this. It looks like that the OnePlus this time ensured that the device doesn't fall out from their hands, so they have quickly, I think, very delicately stuck into the box. So this is your brand new OnePlus 6T. And over here on the above you can see the front fingerprint sensor, and on the back you can see the mirror black. So let's keep it aside and focus on the box of the component of the box. So as you quickly unwrap the box, so this is the welcome note for the OnePlus community, you can say that. And let me just quickly unwrap over from the top. So let me just show you. So this is the thank you note from the OnePlus, joining for the OnePlus community and all that things stuff. So let's keep it aside and focus on the component of the box. So first one is the dash charger. I don't know when they're going to say the West charger, the new charger, but still they are saying of the dash charger. And this is a very powerful device, or you can say which quickly fast charge your phone. Even in the morning, if you have 20 to 30% battery, within an hour it can charge up to 80 to 90%. So this is your Type-C charging cable, and this device, your Type-C to 3.55 amp audio converter, you can say. So in the OnePlus 6T we don't have a 3.55 audio jack. The commercial 3.5 audio jack is not available in the OnePlus 6 device. So with this device, if you are very fond of the wired headphones, you can use this device with your Type-C connector point, and you can use deficiently your 3.55 mm audio jack. So if you want to know about the comparison video, the link is above the link, you can check that as well. And this is the normal. I think it's okay that we are moving into the future and they are moving ahead of the wired headphones, but that's okay. I don't want to say that any other stuff about this 3.55 audio jack lovers or not, but preferably I personally love the 3.55 audio jack, and that's why I like the OnePlus 6 very much better than the OnePlus 6T. That's the main reason that I'm not switching to OnePlus 6T right now. So let's keep the box component inside, and let me just show you the soft cover which we are getting with this device. So this is a soft cover which we are getting with this device. So this is, I think, the most of the phones are now giving up their soft cover with the device and preloaded the protective thin cover on the screen, so that you don't have to rush to the market as soon as you buy out the unit device. You can enjoy it for a couple of months or couple of days, and then as per your need, as per your choice, you can move into the new hard cover or from the protective cover. So with this, as you can see in my OnePlus 6 videos as well, that this device mirror black is very much addictive to your fingerprint sensor. So the cover is very much good point in this which you are getting with this. So this is your SIM injector tool which you are getting with this device. The SIM injector tool can be used to put on your dual SIM into the OnePlus 6T devices, and this is a more kind of a that what things are inside your OnePlus 6T and some more usual manuals. So let's keep all this aside and let's focus on the device. So let me just quickly pull out this wrap from here, and let me just quickly re-wrap the pull from the back side. And this is your shining OnePlus 6T in your hand right now. And let me quickly just boot up the device. And this is the boot up of the OnePlus 6T for the very first time in my hand right now. More of the OnePlus 6 has done a very seamlessly job that even when you boot any device, you can able to see the same kind of boot screen in every OnePlus 6 devices. So let me just talk about the specification. So this is your power on and off button on the side, and volume rocker on the other side, and beneath it you can see the two volume grills. Yes, the two speaker grills you can see beneath it with the Type-C charging point in between. So this charging point again you can be used for the dual purposes if you want to use the 3.55 audio jack on your handset. And the dual speaker gives us a benefit of the more volume, more speaker, and on the above we have seen a mic option. So that's it, and let me just quickly boot up and just go to the main menu. So let me just show you that how the phone looks upon on the booting. And this time I'm connecting it with my Wi-Fi. So let me just connect it with the Wi-Fi, and later on just show you that how this phone is looking up right now. So right now I'm putting up my Wi-Fi password in it, and as soon as I put it in, it's obtaining the IP address, verifying your wireless network, and getting it connected. So this is now connected, and it's showing me some updates right now. As soon as you boot up, you're going to see some of the updates in the OnePlus devices. So let me just again do some kind of more settings. So now I've done with all the settings of my OnePlus 6 devices. So let me just quickly show you. So overall the screen is of 19.5:9 ratio, and moreover if you look upon your face recognition, let me just quickly look upon the face recognition. As soon as I boot up the volume or power up the volume or wake up the screen, as soon the face recognition, again very strong point as we've seen in the OnePlus 6 devices, as soon as I lock upon the screen has been unlocked. Like there's no unlock over here. So over the top there's a teardrop notch, you can say. It's the same notch we are seeing in the Vivo and Oppo devices. So, and the screen is again seamlessly very good, no lag whatsoever in this Android 9 version. So let me just quickly go to the back, and on the back you're going to see the dual setup of the camera, which is 16 plus 20 megapixel with aperture of 1.7. And moreover this again without cover is again a magnetic to your fingerprint sensors. And on the about us you can see the Android version of 9.0, which is your Android 9, and your 6GB variant and 128GB internal storage. Your security patch is of September 2018. And moreover if you get the update right now, the security patch will update it to your latest version of the November 2018. So these are all the features of the OnePlus 6T devices, and the main unique feature which you can say right now is of fingerprint sensor or over the. So this is your Type-C charging point. Again this point can be used for your 3.55 audio jack and for your fast charging. Moreover the device looks bigger than the OnePlus 6, and if I talk about the comparison between the two, the OnePlus 6T looks quite a bit bigger in your one hand if you want to carry it and use it. So the OnePlus 6 looks very much popular with the OnePlus in hand because I get used to it. But over the time I think the user will get used to the OnePlus 6T overall, the width size and the height size of the device. And let me just talk more about this device, about the fingerprint sensor. And let me just told about that even though the OnePlus has been listening to the users, but with the latest update on the Android 9 on the OnePlus 6, there's a lot of issues with this device. Even when I'm powering up and as soon as I look upon the phone is getting unlocked. So this is the main kind of okay with this OnePlus 6T. And moreover, I've taken a few of the camera samples as well, which I'm going to show you later in the video. And moreover, if I talk about the main focus, which is of the in-display fingerprint sensor. Yes, the in-display fingerprint sensor, which I've removed traditionally from the back and from in the front. If I talk about that feature, and let me just show you that even though it's not as fast, which I've assumed or which I've noticed as compared to OnePlus 6, the in-display fingerprint sensor right now within the screen is okay, but right now I assume that it's not as fast. Even there's a little bit of very microseconds, you can say, lag when you compare to the traditional fingerprint sensor in your devices. And let me just show you that how the fingerprint sensor is working right now. So let me just show you. So right now the device is locked, and if I looked upon the screen again as you log in from the face unlock, because I've already done the face unlock feature on my phone. So let me just look upon on the other side and let me try with the fingerprint sensor. And right now I'm doing in with the fingerprint sensor. So let me just wake it up. Let me try it again. And I'm trying it again with the in-display fingerprint sensor. So you can see that it's good as fast, but you will notice you can say 1 or 2 seconds, microseconds at least, a lag when you compare with your fingerprint sensor on your OnePlus 6 devices. So there's no notification or you can say noticeable difference between the two. And there's the backup, there's a clean backup on the back side. So how we can forget about the cameras? Yes, the cameras which have the night vision and some of the good features of the front camera, like the studio lighting or so. So let me just quickly show you the few of the camera samples which I've taken with this device. And again, as I leave away, I don't leave any judgment on that, whether what kind of camera samples it is or not. So you be the judge whether the camera samples are very much okay or very much better. Do comment below that what kind of camera samples will look better. In my later video, I will do a detailed review about the OnePlus 6T camera samples review.
So that's all from the unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. I hope you liked out the camera samples. Do comment below that what kind of specification you are specifically looking in the OnePlus 6T. Already I made a video whether you should upgrade your phone from OnePlus 6 to OnePlus 6T or OnePlus 5T to OnePlus 6T. Do check that as well. The link of that video is right here. You can check that link as well. So that's it from right now from this video. I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.